Hello everyone, Malweni. Judy Say. Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to yet another vlog with a grown-up guide with Mishi and I'm Mishi. Let's be fearless adults together. Yes. So yeah, we're here with yet another vlog and this time we're traveling. We are going for a trip. We are going to Thailand. Yes, you heard that right. So this was way back in April last year when it was a birthday trip and we're traveling. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with us as we go on this little adventure of ours. It was a 4-day trip and yeah, stay tuned for the activities that we're gonna be doing. So in the meantime, yeah, just keep watching and yeah, welcome back and to the new joinees, welcome to the family. Yes, I love to see how this family is growing and I hope we continue growing. Yeah. So if you're here, please do like, share, and do subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, come on, turn on that notification bell button so that you can be notified when I do post another vlog so that you be the first to watch. Yeah, because there are so many more coming that we're in the drought that we're clearing. Come on guys, do subscribe. So here we had already arrived at our accommodation and this lady was taking us up to our room and showing us up. What I can say is guys, Thai people are very nice, like so nice. Customer service A plus, like they are off the charts. So anyways, yeah. Okay. So this here is going to be home for the next few days and I must say I had a great time here. Um, like you know what, you're just gonna see it for yourself. This is amazing place to be. I'll write the name of the hotel somewhere here and then you can see. So after all was said and done, we packed our things and left our bags. So we ended up looking for a place to eat. So there was an area that had food, and then we just went there. You could pick if you wanted a live seafood, whatever. You just pick whichever one you want to eat, and then they cook it for you, like fresh seafood. So yeah, and then can you see the ambience, and the food was just amazing guys. When you go to other countries, the place is called the beach. So yeah, it was raining by the way, so it was dinner and the ambience was just amazing. We didn't know what to order, we're just trying out different foods, so you just see as the when the food comes. So for now, enjoy. By the way, we are in Krabi, which is a part of Thailand. So yeah, after having our dinner, we decided to walk back um to the hotel that we're staying at, so that we can also get to have a view of the place that we're gonna be in for the next few days. So touristing things. So yeah. So while we were walking around, we did see a couple. Like at some point, the electricity actually there was no electricity, hence why it's like dark in some parts that you're gonna see in this vlog. It's something that was a bit shocking to us because when you're in Malaysia electricity doesn't go, but here in Thailand you see that electricity does go. Like here example, people are just walking around in the dark and they have their flashlights and whatnot. And yeah, we even got into a store trying to buy some things, and then yeah, still no electricity, and they just had to work with what they had. but it also gave us like, oh yeah, this is something that happens in Asia too, because it does happen back in our home country, Zimbabwe. So yeah, something that was a bit oh home, you know, yeah. But as we were walking around, anyways, as we were walking around, we did realize that there are a lot of tattoo shops. There are also a lot of shops that sell, um, you know, the happy stuff that makes you happy. I will show it in some parts of this vlog, so do like um, stay alert, and then you actually see it. So yeah, if you want to be happy, it's something that's very legal here. So if you want to be happy, high up there, you can actually go to Thailand and enjoy yourself. If you want to go and have tattoos, you see like example here. There's other happy things that are there in Thailand that you see everywhere, like literally everywhere, like everywhere. Do you see that? That's another shop. Those are two shops that are close by to each other, and then if you look around, you see another one. I was so shocked, guys. Like, if there's anything that shook me about Thailand, is that like there were so many happy shops, like shops that sell happy things. um, yeah, but yeah. Anyways, just enjoy. Another traveling vlog. We did travel and we are in Thailand. So we're gonna be here for like 4 days. Yeah, 4 days, and we're just gonna be chilling, enjoying life, celebrating life. Because life needs to be celebrated. You never know what can happen to you. So while you still have it, enjoy it. So that's what we're doing, and yeah, I'm gonna be taking you guys with us with the activities that we're gonna be doing, and this is ours. So this is gonna be interesting. We are finding ourselves now because we're parents. Ha ha ha! Isn't that interesting? How life can just change. So yeah, that's what we are here to do, and let's see what this day has in store for us, or what this trip has in store for us. So let's go. I just woke up. Honestly, I'm looking a mess, but I'll fix myself up later. But I just thought I should come here and do the intro. So yeah, let's go, guys.